Good morning.
Good morning.
Day 4. Just had breakfast.
It was yummy.
Our feet hurt so bad. Actually, it's more than my feet.
My whole body.
My body hurts.
From doing all that walking and swimming yesterday.
Yes.
Room tours.
Yeah, we have to do some tours at 11:30, and then we are going to relax.
And drink.
And drink. And eat.
See you soon.
Bye. Get out of there.
I suck.
We're waiting to get picked up to do the VIP tour. Is that what they called it?
Yep.
The VIP tour. We're gonna tour some of the different room categories here. We got the casitas. Are we going to Generations at all?
I don't know.
We might go to Generations. I don't remember.
Maybe we pay them off enough.
So, we're just sitting here waiting because the room is being cleaned right now. And we've got mimosas. It's 11:13. We got 15 minutes and they'll be here.
Oh, you can't see me.
It is now
3:30.
It's 3:30. And we just spent 4 hours. We just spent 4 hours in that meeting.
But we got to see lots of rooms.
Yeah, but I'm starving.
I'm starving. Tired, starving, cranky.
Yeah, we're waiting for lunch now at the health bar. And we're hangry.
Very.
So we'll see you later.
I'm going through and trying to figure out what rooms that we saw today so that way I labeled them correctly. Going to dinner. We're doing steak house.
Yeah. Santa Fe Grill.
Yay! So see you soon.
Yeah, we didn't really show anything today because we didn't do anything today. You missed nothing. I'm tired. We just wanted to get on here and end the video for today
Yes.
because we really didn't do anything.
We didn't. Oh my god.
We just,
These videos are gonna be so short.
yeah, we
and
just,
just so awkward.
hey, at least we're trying.
I know, we are trying.
We're just really tired. Like, the show's going on right now. We could easily go out there and get a drink, but here we are in our robes.
Yeah.
But anyways, tomorrow it better not storm because I am going to be out there all day long getting a tan. Because you see this? I haven't got a tan at all. She's looking at the weather right now.
Well, it's supposed to start storming. It can in the morning, but it picks up around noon, 1 p.m. 70% chance, 70. So it looks like it might storm all day, but I hope not.
It better not. If it does, I will be out there in the rain at the pool drinking.
Yes.
So we just wanted to end today's video. Day 4.
For 2 minutes, our whole 2-minute video.
It was a boring one, I'm sure. So if you are watching this far,
We're sorry.
thank you.
We want you guys to get to know us more. That's my new thing.
GoPro sponsor.
GoPro sponsor me. Even though I don't know.
You guys need to see some of the photos that Tiffany took on her excursion.
Oh my god, I own
Maybe-
a GoPro and I never use it until I
Maybe
go on
I will add
vacation.
some in here. She thinks she has it on time lapse, but she keeps putting on bursts. So literally, it'll take a
million
it'll
photos
take
of my
30
forehead.
photos in 1 second. But then she's sitting there holding it, thinking it's taking photos for like 10 minutes. But all you have are those first 30 photos for the 1 second. And
pretty
they're all
bad.
of nothing.
So I came up with a new hashtag, GoPro sponsor me.
GoPro sponsor me.
I do not know what I'm doing.
I've tried to help her. Anyways.
Let me cover them all.
As we've been trying to say goodbye for the last 3 minutes, yeah, we'll see you tomorrow. Bye.
I cannot talk.
Are you drunk?
I know.
Smells like fish. My legs hurt really bad. I smell your Slim.
What?
I smell your Slim Jim.
Slim Jim. I don't know why we had bathing suits on. Maybe later we'll go back.
But Jesus, Tiffany,
Oh.
cover your boobs up.
GoPro, sponsor me.
But I can't figure out how to turn it off.